This one ain't cool, y'all. This one ain't cool at all, man. This one ain't cool at all, man. Let's get to it.
This exclusive video was first obtained by Midwest Crime and has never been seen by the public before.
I understand why. You look right into the camera, dummy. Hey, if any one of y'all are watching this, please make sure y'all pay attention to y'all surroundings. Most likely there's never two delivery drivers. Most likely if he keep knocking and all of that foolishness and then he walks away with two delivery drivers and there's no truck there, you might want to consider not opening that door. I understand if you may not have a clean view, but still don't open that door. And if you do, make sure you got that blicky and the sticky, and make sure you're ready to use it, and make sure you know how to fight. Make sure you know how to fight for your life.
One of the victims steps out, apparently completely unaware the delivery is a setup.
Has no idea. He just out there, blew his hands in his pocket, no nothing. The dog got more. Look, the dog knew what was up. The dog knew what was up. Look, he kicking the damn puppy. Dog, even the puppy knew what was up.
Ain't no big dog, baby. Not yet. Hey, check it out. Come on, don't move. Don't move. Move your hand.
That quick. That quick. That's all it took. That quick. And people ask me, why am I crazy when they ask me, when I'm talking about how I protect myself or my family, whatever the case may be, and they look at me and they say, why do you have a gun everywhere on you all the time, or this, that, and the case may be? You never know what people or whoever is out there to do something to you, and all it takes is a quick, yeah. Don't move, boy. You know what I mean? I'm on your bumble.
Open the door. Move like that. Wait. Open the door.
And it's a third one.
The home security camera captures the third suspect come up the driveway after he's waved in by the other men.
Come on.
Crazy. They came in there just gun button. Man, you can just imagine what's going through his head, man.
I swear I won't move.
You're telling me you won't move. I swear I won't move.
Una pistola, mijo. Tienen una pistola, mijo. Dos morenos.
So from what I got from that, he said, and of course the pistola, but he said morenos. I think that's black. That's black, right? That's for black people or Negroes or whatever the case may be. I ain't gonna say the N-I-G-G-A, but you know what I mean? And listen, he has all right. He could call them whatever he want to call them at that point, because you know what? They're in this house and they have a gun to his neck, and they got a gun, and it's 3 gunmen, and he only see 2, so he don't even know it's the third one at this point. It's happening so fast. It's happening that fast, man. Listen, y'all got to be careful, man. I'm telling you.
Mom, yeah.
She should have kept that door locked.
Don't do anything, please.
The mother managed to call 911, leaving the line open so dispatchers could hear what was happening as the chaos unfolded.
911, what's the emergency? Hello?
Oh my gosh. Give me the money. And I ain't playing. Look. I know. Hey, Mario Alberto. Come on with the money, man.
Look at the baby.
Naked. Okay. Ow.
Stop playing with me.
Ow.
Give me the money.
Okay.
I'm gonna smack out you.
This is insane.
I will give you whatever you want.
Go give me the money then.
Okay, that's okay.
Come on. You get when you move
Oh
to.
my
Get
God.
up.
I'm getting up.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna smack out your son.
Oh, okay, I'm going.
Ooh.
Come on in.
I'm fitting to smack the shit out your son. That mind you, I don't know if he talking about the one he already got hemmed up. If that, I think that's her son. I think that's her son. Yeah. So I hope he wasn't talking about the babies. I hope he wasn't talking about the babies.
All right, where the money? Go get it. Yeah. Go get it.
It's right here.
Get it. Come on, open it.
Don't move.
Crazy, y'all.
Yeah, hurry up.
Look at the babies, yo. Yo, the baby is literally trying to play with him. That's how innocent this baby is. The other one is on point. The other toddler is on point. He was me, or she, or whoever looked like a he. He was me when we had a home invasion, and I was and I was the curious one. I was looking like, and I kind of like looking like, what the? You could tell it's something going on, but you like, I still want to look. I want to see what's going on. The other one is just.
Come on, open it.
Don't move.
Yeah,
hurry up.
Just hold it. Sit down. If he moves,
Look.
open it. Where is that? This ain't all the man. You finna play with it, so I gotta get violated.
No, please
Okay.
don't. Like, that's all the money we have.
This ain't nothing. This
All we have.
okay.
Ow.
All right,
Ow. It's all we have. Oh my God, it's all we have.
Oh,
Oh my God.
he did. One of them shot the father. I think in the kitchen. They shot the father in the kitchen first.
It's all we have. Oh my God.
With no
Now, I'm. This is just me. I get it. It's people with guns and all of that foolishness. There's no guns in the house at all. There's not one. There's not a bat. I'm not a bat. I'm not. No, you can't be. I'm just saying. There's nothing that y'all keep at all. Because I don't know if any one of these people are felons or anything like that or whatever. Or if they even citizens or whatever the case may be. I can't assume. I can't none of that. But there's nothing to protect. Nothing. There's not one. Y'all never came up with an order. Like, my lady knows there's a certain order that happens, and I'm not going to say it out loud, but there's a certain order that happens if something happens. You get what I'm saying? You already set a certain plan, and if this doesn't happen, then you don't open that door or whatever the case may be if this doesn't happen. You get what I mean? I don't know, man.
mercy, one of the intruders turns on the father, 39-year-old Mario Alberto Trejo Estrada, and a single shot to the head ends his life in the entryway of the home.
Where are my babies?
I have money for you.
Where are my babies?
Mm.
Where are my babies?
I have money for you.
I don't know what she was doing at this point, but okay, let me stop. Ooh.
Build a website you love.
Man,
With Wix.
That baby cries, yo. Yo, them baby cries, man. Them baby cries, man. Oh my God, them baby cries, man. Yeah, them baby cries is retarded, man. I can't. I think the first time I seen it with the clips, I was like, whoa. I my damn near came to tears. I'm sorry, I had to. All right, let's get back to it, y'all. This is insane.
Footage continues as the intruders turn their violence toward the mother and her 20-year-old son, all while the two young children are still in the home. The victims are later identified as 42-year-old Shannon Patricia Youngworth and her son, 20-year-old Jorge Alexander Reyes Youngworth. Leaving the two young children in a state of unimaginable trauma, the intruders rushed to destroy evidence before fleeing the scene, unaware that nearly every moment of their crime had already been captured on camera. Meanwhile, inside the home, a heartbreaking act of bravery unfolds. The older child, despite being just a toddler himself, pulls his little sibling away, shielding them from the sight of their mother on the floor. A moment of pure innocence and instinct, leaving investigators and everyone who later watched this footage stunned.
Woo.
Just minutes later, officers arrive at the house after being dispatched to the 911 call placed by the mother, unaware of what they are about to walk into.
Police department! I heard kids screaming in there. Police department! 1409, give us the channel for now. I got a male down on the ground. I got blood.
Can I have the police? Police department!
Hey, come here, kid. Come here, buddy.
Come here, 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 come here.
That baby traumatized forever, man.
Yep. I think
He knew what was
dead.
going on.
Come here.
That's
There's
something.
another kid.
I
Come
think
here,
that kid
buddy.
gonna remember that. See, this one, he's so young, he don't know what's going on. So he worried about the phone. Like he's so young. Thank God. I thank God he don't know what's going
Through
on.
the
It's
kitchen.
horrible at
Hey,
the same
buddy.
time.
I can see his diaper now. He's a little closer. No, he's pretty far in there. You see his diaper? See it on the ground.
Oh, no, you want me to can't see past it. You want me to come up there with you?
I think I see. Yep. Stay with the kid for now. We're gonna get you another kid here in a second.
I know some people are thinking like, why didn't the police just run up in there and all of that? There's some police that would, and then there's some police that won't, because, of course, you got to protect your neck, protecting all of that. You got to get home to your family. I'm just saying. I'm playing devil's advocate because half of me is like, just rush in there, get the kid, but then you don't know what's behind that door. You don't know what's up. You see a dead body sitting right. You know what I'm saying? And then there's another part of me that's just like, yeah, stay at the door with your partner. Try to see if y'all could clear. Once y'all get the baby out of there, then y'all could go in there clear. Because if you go in there and then this baby gets into a crossfire of if something is in there, because you don't know. We know there's nobody in there because we're watching it right now, but they don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, buddy, come here. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Kyle, cover me.
Hey, buddy, come here. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Kyle, cover me. Come here, buddy.
Come here. Come here. Come here. I need you to come with me.
We're trying to get the kid out.
Come here, bud.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here.
I got candies. Come on.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. It's okay.
Come on.
It's okay.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on,
Come here,
man.
kiddo. Come here, kiddo.
Walk in
Come here.
1309. You've got 2 more cars coming to the area. 31.
Come here, bud.
After rescuing the two young children, officers were faced with a horrifying scene. 3 victims, each killed by a gunshot wound to the head. The house was immediately secured, and investigators began meticulously collecting evidence.
If y'all heard, it probably was only like 4 shots. So they literally just clean sweeped them. They clean sweeped them people and just got up out of there. Like, I don't think this probably wasn't even a 10-minute thing. They went in, got it in, and got out. Crazy.
Including physical items and surveillance footage from cameras throughout the home in an effort to identify the perpetrators.
Thank God they
The
had these
navy blue
cameras.
Nissan Altima was traced to 39-year-old Alonzo Pierre Mingo, who was arrested later that day after being spotted leaving his Fridley residence. Further investigation, including home surveillance, DNA evidence, and cell phone records, led law enforcement to the 2 other suspects, brothers Omari Malik Shumpert and Demetrius Trenton Shumpert, both of whom were arrested shortly thereafter. All the evidence, from security footage to forensic and digital data, pointed directly to the Shumpert brothers, who had tried to cover their faces, leading straight to the interrogations.
And it looked like the other one with the dreads is the one who probably pulled the trigger first. It's from what it looked like in that tussle in the kitchen. Maybe I could be wrong.
I'm talking about?
No.
Okay. She had no idea.
I know that somebody got locked up.
Who got
somebody?
locked up?
Somebody is a name that you saying.
Who got locked up?
The name that you said? You said Alonzo, somebody's name Alonzo or something like that.
Okay. But you know Alonzo?
Yeah, a little bit. I know of him.
Okay. You knew
more than know of him,
right? You guys go way back.
No.
To Chicago.
I'll say yeah.
I won't. Don't. You know. Somewhat of the same level of respect, right?
Yeah, but
we do our
like you said way back, like basically like friends, anything like that. No,
not friends.
No.
All right, but you've known him all the way back to Chicago, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you living now?
Huh?
Where are you living now?
Alone in Minneapolis.
You heard him.
When's the last time you talked with Alonzo?
I'm gonna say like a month ago or something like that.
A month ago?
Like a month and a half, I think.
A month and a half ago?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lie. So that was already on camera. That was already put on the news. It already showed Alonzo shooting a person. Okay? I don't know if I explained it well to you or not, but the more information I tell you, the less you can tell me to help.
No, but I was saying you can't tell me about that because I heard about it. The whole world know about it.
Sure.
That's everywhere you go at work. Hey, you heard about what happened? Somebody got killed in Coon Rapids. 4-5 people. How many more people got killed? I don't know.
Okay.
So what did I do?
You were there.
Wasn't there.
You were. I mean, you're probably not going to take my word for it or anything, but I'm not lying to you. I'm not making stuff up. We got the whole camera.
Imagine being able to build anything.
Yeah, he already cooked, man. He cooked. He know he cooked, and he's sitting there. He trying to make up all these different excuses and all this other fools. I get it. He's supposed to do this. He's a criminal. That's what he's supposed to do. He's supposed to do all of the hoopla and make himself not want to go to prison for 1 million years, because that's what he's about to go to prison for 1 million years for sure, man. And if not, whoever the judge and the jury is definitely crazy for sure.
Well, somebody had a pull camera on the house. When we see you pull up, we see the three of you get out, walk up to the house, just you and Alonzo. He knocks on the door. They don't come to the door at first, and you start walking away. As you guys are partway down the street, or partway down the driveway, he comes outside, so you guys walk back. Okay? On the door there was a camera. And you had gloves on, you had a mask on, but we're still able to tell it's you.
With a mask on.
Yeah. Okay. And then
he said with a mask on for a reason, because he like with a mask on, and because he like, how you know it's me if I had a mask on? In so many words, that's what he's saying. Because if he can't say that, because if he said that, then it's automatically damn near like, oh, so what you mean? If it wasn't, you know?
Who'd you wave up?
I didn't wave nobody.
You're sitting in the car and you waved him up.
You said I was sitting in the car?
No, he was sitting in the car. The third person was sitting in the car. You waved him up.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know who that was. I don't know who that was with no mask on, but it showed it wasn't me. You didn't ask me where was I at, or did I?
He's so smart. He's so stupid because he's damn near when he reacts the question to whoever the detective, whoever the police is. It's almost like an admitting of guilt, because it's like, if you weren't there, you would just say, no, I wasn't there. So whatever you saying right now, I have nothing to do with nothing. Like, I don't even know what the hell you talking about. Like, I don't even want to know what you talking about. Like, don't even tell me no more, because at this point now you giving me information that I don't even need to know, because I wasn't there and I don't care. Like, you know what I'm saying? If that's what you're going to do, I'm just playing devil's advocate, even though, I'm just saying, if you were in this situation, I'm sure so many people, but these people were some different type of people, man, to do this in front of them children.
Was I
They could have put the kids in the other room. I'm just saying. I'm sorry, y'all.
somewhere else or nothing?
Where were you? I know where you were, but where were you? And then I'll follow up on that. And
You know I was there already, right? That what you said?
I do, but if you're saying you're somewhere else, you tell me where you were, who you talked to, and I'll follow up with them and rule you out. That's only fair, right?
That's crazy. You say on the 13th?
The 26th. January 26th.
I know I wasn't there. I wasn't at nobody else. I
My
wasn't
man,
at
poised.
nobody's house.
Okay. We go in a crime scene, the whole 9 yards. You're touching your face, you're hitting the liver.
Now see?
Yeah, I'll grab them.
You said I'm hitting what?
You're touching your face. You got a mask on. Yeah. You're touching your face, you're touching the lizard cage. You're touching your face, you're touching different areas. You're breathing through the mask, okay? We're getting the...
I don't get what he mean by that. He's trying to say like they got him through oxygen. Let me tell y'all something. If that's a new technology where they getting people through oxygen and you breathe the wall on the wall and they could swipe the wall and see how many people been in that's gonna be some off the wall shit right there.
The point of the evidence is mounting up so high, it's hard to get out from it, okay? There's also audio, and you can be heard on there.
Y'all be careful.
Saying, "Ain't no big dog, is it?"
What?
Ain't no big dog, is it?
So he was the one that almost kicked the dog. He ruthless. No, he ruthless. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Homeboy ruthless.
What would I say? What do that mean?
That's what you said when you were there. You also have a very distinct voice.
I don't say nothing like that. I don't know what that means. What do that mean?
Oh, that's just what you said when you're walking up and you're talking
Why would you want me to say it?
To the guy in the driveway.
Why would you want me to say it?
So that I can compare it to what I heard on the video. Right?
I'm not gonna say nothing.
Okay. I'm just saying...
You saying you knew I was there already, so why you want me to say it?
Well,
anything.
I can say that you're there all day. And I can prove that you're there, and I can prove what happened, because...
You can prove I was there?
Now he finally getting uncomfortable. You see the body language. He holding himself now at this point. He ain't cold because he got that big ass puff jacket on. So we know for a fact, even though they keep that room cold, it ain't that cold. Because I'm telling you.
Sure.
He's starting to feel the pressure of the detective telling him everything already. He ain't think he knew that much. They thought when they took them camera and they fiddle with the cameras and all of that was just it. Nah, it was already in the cloud or whatever the case may be. Them police could go back and track whatever, especially the way they had that house. It was at least 3 cameras on y'all, plus the house, the neighbor camera from across the way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that they was definitely giving that up.
It's on video, man.
26. Yeah, the 26. That's the 26. That's the day I couldn't go to work because I had my baby.
Ironically, that's the day you had your baby. Ironically,
and my baby mama, she wasn't trying to come get him, and I didn't go to work on that day.
Come on now.
Where were you?
I was in the house.
Is that what you're gonna go with? That's what you're gonna stick with? You're never at the house?
You would have said that from the beginning.
I wasn't at the house. I see the photos that you got.
Yeah, I can get you still photos of it.
Can I see the photo? Yo, what is the purpose? What's the purpose of playing this? What's the purpose of trying to play this like this? Can I see the photos of what are you gonna say? Yeah, that's me. No, that's not me. Like, come on now. You should have kept it just like, I don't give a damn what you got. I got it. I'm just playing devil's advocate for people. I'm just saying, if this is what you plan on being in these streets, then you got to know how to maneuver. These criminals are fucking idiots, and they ruthless, and they dummies. These are not gangsters. These are thugs. Gangsters move different. Thugs move reckless.
Warm water or cold water? All right. Give it this one. You can grab it. You can hold it if you want.
I don't hold it.
You don't need to.
And that supposed to be me or somebody else?
I know it's you. I can print off a couple more, but I don't know if that's going to convince you or not. But just so you know, I'm not lying to you.
I know you ain't lying.
On any of this. Okay?
All 3 suspects in the Coon Rapids triple homicide were indicted on multiple counts of first-degree murder, upgrading their initial charges of second-degree murder. Alonzo Pierre Mingo, identified as the alleged gunman, was found guilty by a jury on multiple...
Why did he say alleged gunman? He took the lady in the room, right? I know he took the lady out. But somebody took the other dude out in the kitchen, and then the
multiple counts, including 4 counts of first-degree murder. In September 2025, Mingo was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of...
I'm surprised that's all he got.
...parole. Demetrius Trenton Shumpert, who participated as an accomplice in the robbery, was indicted on 6 counts of first-degree murder. Prosecutors sought an aggravated sentence against him, citing the particularly cruel treatment of the victims the involvement of 3 or more active participants, and the fact that the crime occurred in the presence of 2 minor children.
Yeah.
On November 20th, 2025, Demetrius Shumpert was found guilty on all counts of first-degree murder and faces the same mandatory life sentence without the possibility of parole when he is sentenced in January of 2026. The third co-defendant, Omari Malik Shumpert, was convicted in December 2025 on 5 counts of first-degree murder, 3 counts of second-degree murder, and 2 counts of aggravated robbery. He is also scheduled to be sentenced in January 2026. For exclusive clips and behind-the-scenes content.
Yeah, y'all. This was sad, man. This was really sad, y'all.
Since the dawn.
All I can say is, if you're gonna be an idiot, leave the kids out of it. That's just my opinion. Leave the kids out. If you're gonna be a thug, leave the kids out of it. If you're gonna be a gangster, leave the kids out of it. Like, it gotta be some rules on that, yo. And I've been seeing a lot of people violating people's kids, people's mothers, stuff like that, and all of the case, what the case may be. Now, a lot of these mothers be in the foolishness, but that's a whole nother story. I don't know what happened exactly, because I'm hearing little things about, you know, the family may have been in some drug cartel foolishness, but from what they were living, I don't know. But at the same time, I mean, but people do have cameras everywhere in their house nowadays, but they could have literally took these kids and put them in the other room. They didn't have to do anything in front of the kids, actually. I mean, only one of them came up there with the face mask off, so they automatically see his face, so they could definitely identify him. But if it was illegal activity going on, then nobody wouldn't have, you know, reported that, I'm sure, because it was illegal activity going on in there. You know what I'm saying? If that's the case, but I don't know, man. Something tell me that's not the case. I think they thought that, I don't know, maybe it is the case. Because why would y'all come in there 3 deep like that unless y'all got the wrong information? But y'all came in there really gung-ho about this money. And then the other one had kind of a Spanish name too. So he probably, you know, either knew about this lick, or he got the lick from somebody else, or whatever the case may be. But they definitely went in there looking for some money. That's all they kept asking for. Like, people are not just gonna home invade 3 guys, a whole elaborate scheme where they dressing up as UPS, unless you might be into some shit. I'm just saying. I don't think nobody is pulling up to your house with a whole elaborate scheme like this just to get a couple dollars, just to get couple $100 or whatever the case may be. They wasn't looking for no jewelry. They was looking for the money. They ain't asked for no jewelry. They was looking for the money. So maybe he was a middleman somewhere in there for the cartel, and he was the one holding the money, or whatever the case may be. But I don't know, man. It was sad, man. That's all I can say. Shout out to everybody that's watching. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Y'all already see it down on the ticker over here. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Hit notification bell, all that. Because if not,
you're going to die.